Hello guys, it's Fred. Welcome again. This is the second video of the series on eating green, healthy food choices for weight loss. In the last video, we covered a basic introduction to the series. In this video, we cover one of the points, which is getting some exercise. In a nutshell, exercise is doing stuff to get healthy. On this page, we see all the benefits of exercise. It can reduce your risk of major illnesses, such as coronary heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and cancer, and lower your risk of early death by up to 30%. There's some more bollocks on here, but for now, I'll put the link in the video description so you can look over all the points. So one thing we can do for exercise is running. Running is easy to do. Just go outside and run. How about swimming? That's another easy one. Go to your local pool and jump in the water and pretend to drown. Just kidding. How about move those arms and legs and see how far you get before bumping into your ex-partner? That sounds better. Speaking of ex-partners, you can also do X-rated activities. These are also so very good for exercise and your health. Have fun. We all know you are a naughty fat fart. Who lives in bed watching cat videos? Oh so naughty you are. Very naughty fat fart you are. But that's okay. I am too, and we can work on this together. Now on to why is exercise good for your heart. Being physically active is a major step toward good heart health. It's one of your most effective tools for strengthening the heart muscle, keeping your weight under control, and warding off the artery damage from high cholesterol, high blood sugar, and high blood pressure. That can lead to heart attack or stroke. There's a trend called Couch to 5K. If you dare do that, you naughty fat fart, here's what I'm on about. I will again put the link to this article in the video description. However, now, it's that time again. Please subscribe if you want to see more of this. And I will be back very soon with another video continuing on from this, where we cover eating a balanced diet. But as for now, see you later, alligator.
A word you might use if you hit yourself on the thumb with a hammer. Can you give me a word that you might use?
Yes, I said bollocks, fuck it.
Just one word?
Bollocks.
Okay.
Oh. Bollocks. Oh, bollocks. Bollocks. Is that what I can say? Bollocks?
I suppose so.
No, bollocks. Bollocks!
Remember to stay at a steady,
Steady?
pace.
What?
Not too
I
loud.
can't keep the fucking thing at a steady pace. Bollocks! 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 Oh, fuck it.